You're sharing your future plans completely wrong.
Wait, really? But I always say I will go to the park tomorrow.
That's exactly the problem. It sounds extremely robotic and unnatural to native speakers.
Oh no. What should I say instead to sound natural and fluent today?
Today, you'll learn 3 native secrets to talk about your plans like a pro. Let's start with our first game changer.
Okay, so instead of I will visit my family, what is the native way?
Use the phrase, I'm planning on visiting my family.
I'm planning on. So we use on plus a verb ending in ing?
Exactly. For example, I'm planning on buying a car, or I'm planning on moving next month.
That sounds so much more fluid. But what if I am not 100% sure yet?
Then you say, I'm hoping to or I'm aiming to. Like, I'm aiming to finish this by Friday.
I love that. It shows intention but keeps it realistic.
Exactly. Now let's move on to our second key point for immediate plans.
What do we say when we are leaving right this second? Like going to the mall?
Stop saying, I will go to the mall now. Say, I'm heading to the mall, or I'm off to the mall.
Oh, I'm off too. I hear characters in movies say that all the time.
Yes. I'm off to bed, or I'm heading to the office. It sounds active and natural.
Wait, what's the difference between heading to and just going to?
Heading to emphasizes the direction of your movement right now. It feels much more dynamic.
So I can tell my friends, I'm heading out now, when I leave the party?
Perfect. You're already sounding like a native speaker.
Awesome. Now, what is the third point? What if my plans are totally undecided?
Most students say, maybe I will do something, I don't know. It sounds very weak.
Guilty. I say that all the time. What's the professional native alternative?
Use the idiom, my plans are up in the air.
Up in the air? Like floating away?
Yes. It means undecided or not finalized yet. Another great one is, I'm going to play it by ear.
Play it by ear? Like listening to music?
It actually means to make decisions as situations progress, rather than sticking to a strict plan.
Oh, I see. So if someone asks about my weekend, I can say I'm just going to play it by ear.
Exactly. It shows an incredibly high level of English fluency.
This is incredibly useful. Can we try a real-life conversation to practice these?
Let's do it. We are coworkers chatting in the office. You start.
Hey. Got any fun plans for this weekend?
Well, I'm planning on cleaning my apartment on Saturday morning. What about you?
I'm heading to the beach if the weather is nice, but honestly, my plans are still up in the air.
The beach sounds wonderful. I'm hoping to catch a movie on Sunday, but I might just play it by ear.
Same here. Oh, look at the time, I'm off to my meeting now.
Catch you later. Have a great meeting.
Wow. That felt so much more natural than saying I will 10 times.
Now it's your turn, viewer. Pause the video right now.
Yes. Comment below using one of the phrases you learned today.
What are you planning on doing tonight? Write your answer down below.
Let's do a super quick recap of today's 3 major points.
Point 1. Use, I'm planning on, or I'm aiming to, for scheduled intentions.
Point 2. Use I'm heading to or I'm off to for immediate plans.
Point 3. Use up in the air or play it by ear for flexible, uncertain plans.
Make sure to subscribe for daily English tips.
We post a brand new video every single day to help you speak fluent English.
See you in tomorrow's video. Bye.